Welcome to this presentation on how to use Safelists as part of your email marketing campaign. There are a couple of things that we need to have in place before we start. We need to have a couple of new Gmail accounts to receive messages in. You don't want all of these messages coming into your regular email account. We need to set up filters inside of these Gmail accounts. And we need to have a list of up-to-date Safelists. Let's start by talking about our Gmail accounts. The two email addresses that Safelist owners ask us for are our list email address. This is the email address that other Safelist marketers will send their ads to. And our contact email address. This is the address that Safelist owners will send us their messages. To make things easy to remember, make your email addresses like this. I would use johnslisTemail@gmail.com. Get an address as close to this as possible for ease of remembrance. And your contact email should be like this. johnscontactemail@gmail.com. So this is your first step. Go and do this right now. Alright, the addresses that I chose were already taken. So I simply had to use johnjarvisListEmail@gmail.com and johnjarviscontactemail@gmail.com. It's likely if you use your first name and your last name that your email addresses will be available to you. So just keep it simple and easy to remember. Now this takes care of our Gmail accounts. And what we need to do now is go grab our list of up-to-date Safelists. There's a great list inside of the downline builder of your Sakura Project website. I'm going to go and log in as a free member and show you exactly how to do this. Alright, I just logged into my demo account, and from the inside of your back office, just click on your downline builder. And there are Safelists inside of ISM Magic. This is a huge system, so what I'm going to do is take you into the Songbird Clicks. This program has 30 up-to-date Safelists inside of it, so the first thing you need to do is sign up for free. I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, the first thing that you want to do after you sign up for a free membership in Songbird Clicks is pick up this number. This is your ID number. Copy it. Go back to your Sakura Project back office. Put your affiliate ID right here. Scroll down to the bottom and you click Update Referral IDs. That way when someone signs up after you in the future, you're going to get credit for it. And the same applies to all of the other things in the downline builder, but we'll get into that in the future. Now from Songbird Clicks, you want to make sure that you're on the members menu. If somehow you end up on the start page, you click Members Menu. And from here, the Safelists are way down at the bottom. Click on Site Maintenance. And from here, you click on Safelists. Alright, now to join a Safelist from this downline builder, just simply click Visit Join. And what we need to do here is simply enter in your name and your email. This would be your contact email. And click Sign Up. So this will be John. And this is going to be johnjarviscontactemail@gmail.com.
Welcome.
You can listen to this walkthrough if you want. I've done this so many times in the past. I'm just going to skip through everything. And what these guys do is they will try to sell you an upgraded membership, and every once in a while I actually do upgraded Safelists. And what we'd have to actually do at this stage is go to our email address. This gives you your own referral URL, and it's looking like my new ID is 11573. So again, I copy this, I go back to Songbird Clicks. I click Enter URL. And that complete URL, what you want to do is highlight it and copy it. And paste it right here. Save referral URL. Again, the next time someone comes along and Songbird clicks and they sign up, this is going to be your link. Now back here. Alright, from here we can log into our members area. And most of these Safelist owners will actually give us some credits when we first sign up. And to me it looks like this fellow doesn't. And how we actually get credits is we go to our inbox. And usually what happens if we click on these is we get credits. Someplace inside there's usually a link to click on. Click here to earn 15 traffic credits. Now we sit and wait for 15 seconds, or this depends on the actual Safelist, and it adds credits. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of these Safelists, and I'll recommend 5 of them to you that I like, that do work, that do give you credits when you sign up. And what I'll do is I'll let you know exactly how I make it with them, because I'm going to post an ad to them. And I'll do a video of how I actually post an ad. So I'll see you in another part of this video. Alright, this time I'm going to actually recommend a couple of these Safelists that I have found to be useful. And we're going to sign up for one. And Ad Troopers, this would actually be a good one to sign up for. I'll show you why. And we go to our members area. And we go to the credit mailer. See, they start us off with 50,000 points. We can send an email out to over 13,000 people. So that's a good one. Another one that would be good to sign up for. I've had good luck with the European Safelist. And let's scroll on down here a little bit. This Joe is a really good Safelist. That's 3 for you. Prospect Geyser Co-op. I see the image is gone for it, but it's a very responsive Safelist. There's 4. And the owner of this traffic exchange actually is Michael. Sign up for his Safelist right here, the Wizard's Lair Safelist. So what I'm going to do right now is show you exactly the steps I go through to join, sign up. Click right here, join now. And what you do here is scroll down and you accept their terms and conditions. You enter in your details here. I'll do that. And after you get all of your information filled in here, simply click join. Now what you need to do is go to your contact email address, and you need to confirm a link. This one here is to earn credits, and you can see here the clock counting down. And let's go back to our other email address here. Alright, I see that the confirmation email hasn't come in yet. Usually what they do is send you an activation link, and what you need to do is click on it right here, and this confirms that this is a real email address. So what we need to do inside of this Safelist is go to Members and click on your affiliate program. And you need to find your code, your link, your referral URL right here. Copy it. Take it back to Songbird Clicks. And you enter your URL. And any Safelist that you join, you do this because every one of these is an income stream for you. So that is how you sign up for a Safelist. And what I'm going to need to do now is show you how to add a filter to look after all of these emails that come into your address. This time I'm going to show you how to set up filters and folders. Okay, let's take a look at the Gmail right here. These are the original messages that came in. All we need to do is click on them and say we want to keep them in a folder. We click right here, create new. Let's call this Google. Google, Gmail, the same thing. Create. Now those 3 email messages are permanently saved in the folder that I just called Google right there. And you can do the same thing. You can create folders like this to organize all of your different safe lists. If you want a folder for each different safe list, you can create folders for that. I'm going to show you something that's really cool. You can see how many emails we're going to be getting in a day. And the more safe lists we sign up for, the more we're going to get. I'm about to show you a way you can stop all emails from coming into your Gmail account. And you may want to do this, for instance, if you're going away on vacation for a week and you don't want to receive any emails at all. You go over here to Settings and you click on this Settings. And what we're going to do is click on Filters and we're going to go create a new filter. Now down here, pick out a word that doesn't exist or that there's a very small chance that people are going to use, like anti-disestablishmentarianism, for instance. Now you click Create Filter with this search. Now what I'm going to do is click Delete it. So now if an email comes in that doesn't have the word anti-disestablishmentarianism in it, Gmail is going to automatically delete it. As you can see here, the following filters are applied to all incoming email. If matches anti-disestablishmentarianism, do this. Skip inbox. Delete it. Let's go back to our inbox here. And shortly I'm going to show you step by step how to send out a Safelist ad. Alright, this time I'm actually going to send out an ad. And I have one pre-formatted. And think of who we're sending these ads to. These are Safelist users, this particular ad. And Safelist users always use lead capture pages. So this is going to be my subject line. Free lead capture page, images, and Safelist tools. Then the ad itself. Hi fellow Safelist user. I have been using Safelists for a very long time and I know that at times it may seem difficult. I have tried and tested the water for years now and I know what it takes to help out other people that are not finding the success that my wife and I have had. And I'm going to even put her name in here because the more personal you get with people online, the better. You've got to start to develop a bond and a trust with people. I have put together an Internet Marketer's Toolkit for you. This kit includes free lead capture page software, a few hundred royalty-free images, royalty-free music for presentations, and an ebook called How to Start a Website Business. There are also easy to understand step-by-step videos on how to set up a WordPress website from scratch. Now all of this stuff is available to all Sakura Project members. Here I go on to say all of these things are available for free to members of a training company called the Sakura Project, which is free to join. You can join from this link. Now where you would send people to from here depends on if you're an upgraded member in the Sakura Project or a free member or not a member at all. For instance, the page I am going to send people to is right here. This is the Sakura Project blog. This main video right here explains everything that there is in the Sakura Project, the Internet Marketing Toolkit. Now if you're a member of the Sakura Project and not upgraded, you would send them right here to your Sakura Project website, and this is the membership site that everyone gets for free. They would click on Join Free, and they would sign up under your ID number. Now if you just happen to be stumbling across this video, You just send them to a lead capture page like this. So that is where you send people to. You need things to give away to people to get them to subscribe to your list. Plain and simple. So I'm going to go back here and change this. You can see everything I am giving away here. So let's pick all this up except for the headline. Copy it. Now we go back to our Songbird Clicks website. And the safe list that I just showed you how to sign up for, let's send it out there. And what we need to do now is go to members. And let's go to our standard mailer. Let's paste this in right here. And let's grab the subject line. Copy it. Paste it in here. And simply hit send. Mailing in progress. We will notify you when it will be finished. Now let's go back to our credit mailer. And subject line, same thing. And you can see these guys give you 30,000 credits and we can send up to 6,000 members. So let's send it to 6,000 members. And let's pick up our text again. Remember, for success with Safelists, it's all in your headline and it's all in what you're giving away. And right here, it's asking you for this URL. And let's send. And it's that simple. Now when inside of Songbird Clicks, which of course you can get to from your Sakura Project dashboard, however many safe lists that you are a member of, a free member of, just keep sending that same ad out and do this once a week, and you will develop a contact list, which is very important for success online. And that is how to use safe lists.